final result. So you see here on the top, this first half on the right, it's a wall decoration. And then I took really very thin wood boards. Then the level below is a mixture of different floors, parquet, flottant. Here, these are remains of kitchen cupboards or similar cupboards. And the last level is as well ancient parquet from the same brand. And not to forget the last level here on the bottom. That's it, my friends. This is the end of the video about how to organize a free storage space. Each shelf here has a surface of 1.5 square meters. It makes a total of 7.5 square meters, including the calculation of the bottom. And this is really saving a lot of space. And for instance, what is very useful in this configuration is that you can place long pieces. I'm taking just here this as an example. This here is my set of fireworks. I love fireworks, and this gives me the opportunity to make a tribute to all the people working professionally in fireworks. They're making really our lives more exciting. And as we are still in the modernity, I also wanted to give a tribute to people working in light festivals. And at the occasion of my visit of the Magritte Museum in Brussels, I had the chance to see the Bright Night Brussels. And for this, I made a couple of recordings which you may find interesting. So that's it. I'm now inviting you to join my video explaining you the detail of this organization in my studio. Until then, see you soon on Happy Hour TV 1.